Welcome to this video. Ever sent a video on WhatsApp and noticed it became blurry and low quality? Well, today I'll show you how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp from your laptop without losing clarity. Let's go. WhatsApp compresses videos when you send them normally, but there's a super simple hack to send them in a full quality. Open web.whatsapp.com and scan your QR code to log in, or you can use WhatsApp desktop app. Open a chat and click the paperclip or attachment icon. Instead of choosing photos and videos, select document. Find your video file and hit send. Boom! Your video is sent in full resolution without any quality loss. If your video is too big for WhatsApp 2GB limit, here's a smart trick. Upload your video to Google Drive or Dropbox. Copy the shareable link. Send the link to WhatsApp. Now, your friend can download the video in full quality without any compression. If you must reduce the full size but still want good quality, use a free tool like Handbrake or an online video compressor. Just keep the resolution at 1080p or 4K for crisp video. That way, you save space without making your video look like a potato. And that's it. Now you know how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp from your laptop. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more WhatsApp hacks, and thank you for watching.